Hello, Bishan for my car was about media studio. Mediane Nana Poku. And then you may say, Mene Kotoko supporters. You did and come a craft a blank Peter Amidu Aqua. Mati and say a blank on Pese best and the contract at the Amani Asante Kotoko because of say I can't emulate will be season you couldn't wear a blantiano. Nyada so best and I was Anticotoko Bill and so honor. But yes, we are so and what kai baby a free basso. Made a mega Peter Mido Aqua. A fan baby no. Kai who's a baby a Kotoko, the coffee by a mouth would do better so would dream. And the Kotokwa, Nanka, nobody knows somebody called Peter Amidu Aqua. And I just say, Ubinim of Bempasha say, Kotoko, Bia Kotoko, I'm a fawa, Nankayan Tonka, and a so. Menka say Bia, who knew freedom of a Isabia, Utimico job. No, also, Kahun say, at least you know, Kotoko, Mumuna, Etimi, Abuamo, so we do so dream. Kotoko Nabuao, because any Kotokwa. Nka ebi mi na menim Peter Amidu Aqua until say Kotoko be fa free say division 2 as division 4 edo buy say division 1 edo buy aya obi abeti Peter Amidu Aqua aya obuy anso no o bo ho modern it say team no si wo hia na Simon mo a o de also tenase na ka say team ni na aboa me ama me so metime bedum pempenso bi say ama say no enkofo kra atemenka Peter Amidu Aqua nti also team na passion bi na also trans na do say team e fa bi no team na boa me nti at least no let me extend my contract say be the ma team no so mu hia me say kasa na mo kasa na bi a osika na be mu be kan ho a fine e bi o mu do osika na bi say e bi out 3000 e bi a bit mako 5000 kwada ma okra na bi jiri senke better since say sisi anza kotoko ant me anton wa na say o ko as free agent e ban sa na also wa mo team no wa mo we are young I feel what you over Bernard Somwa ba e kakra na obolon e wo Spain nso kakra no team no so abo e fa ba bi team na abo to so also tenase na o dwene team no na team no so senke se bia o man timi anton se season no kona we impo na se na se bia general transfer man timi anton impo na o so betima extend o contract no e dey ma team no so team no so e betima nya bibi kakra da free ho because of say team no na abo ma Peter Amidu Aqua bedu bebi say honestly team Asante Kotoko na etimi abo ama bedu bebi wodri enya Kotoko a ke bia nka no sa ke ente wonka nke yinimu ntuzo no o agent no o mo ntnase ne no mo nkasa ne chiro se de house for no house place ni bo no a no fini din o hwe ne contract no ya so no na ankofo so hia no team bi so hia no o extend my house se be house with many bibi so what I say that's how we're supposed to do to help team also aboa ama football journey no etime do pempen so say ama Ghana across board obi abo odi Peter Amidu Aqua obi abo odi Peter Amidu Aqua so what I say that is what you have to do as a player say be ya okokra bia okokra that be bia obetimi so back Kotoko players be ble koy almost by say oh kona uja din boni ho no ntimi back but uja din papa ho utimi sa back interest Peter Amidu Aqua you have to think about the team too don't think about yourself alone baby a your team be for free you know eya utimi aboa ma baby obedu mebe so si no so utimi buo team no and this is your person yes I na be okọ free like that as I won more we play out on but kai sɛ obi na pagya wo de bɛduru baabi. So ta se obi na sɔ wo nsa ɛma wotumi foro soro. Nso oduru soro a ɛma owura mfi anaasɛ de ɔboa ma wo nsa kɔduru de ɔboa ma wotumi duru ɛsoro no ɛnyini bɔne anaasɛ ɛnyina yipa mu. Ɛma no nu no ho sɛ wɔsɔ wo nsa ma woduru baabi saa. Ɛsɛ advice anaasɛ foto na mede ma wo ɛnɛ anwummere yi. Wobɛtie a ɛbɛbɔ wotie yeah. Mede wase so mo tie me. Shalom. Peace. Bye bye.